What's up, everyone? We are back for Plasti Dipping round 2. In this video, we have a brand new Model Y, white on white, beautiful specification. This car has the stock 19-inch wheels, and they come with like a silver finish, as you can see over here. Come on, cameraman. These wheels, unlike the Model 3, the contrast is a bit weird, and so we think Plasti Dipping them black with the white paint could look really good. It's like it could save you a lot of money, and it could look like those induction wheels, which I think are like a 20-inch specification. So that's sort of the look we're going for, but for 25 bucks from Walmart. And we have experience with the Model 3 that you guys saw in the previous video, so hopefully this Plasti Dipping job goes a little better, but we're still happy with the Model 3 one. Video is going to be in the link down below, but let's get into it. So these caps, they're really simple to take off. You just put your two hands in this area and you just start pulling like that. 2 seconds, super simple. And we're gonna do that for all 4 wheels. Obviously we're gonna prep them by wiping them down and all that, making sure we get off all the dirt and stuff that we don't want to just sit under the Plasti Dip, and we're gonna go to work. Hey guys, so we're getting ready to apply the first coat. We wiped down the caps a little bit. It's a little windy outside, but make sure when you apply these coats that you go sort of side to side and you don't just like spray and pray, because ultimately the finish will be dependent on how you lay it. But this stuff's pretty durable, so we found that no matter how you spray it, as long as you get good coverage, it's going to come out pretty solid. I also think it's not really supposed to be done when it's warm out or in direct sunlight, but we're here to test and experiment. So this is going to be our first coat, and it's already starting to look a lot better. 25 bucks instead of what, 1,500 bucks for the induction wheels? I like it.
Get fly with me, I can hold you down, know you tryna ride with me. I can be around, don't switch sides on me.
So this is how we're looking after one coat. This one is a thick boy for sure. They almost look done, right? And this is how it looked like before. And you guys can see those ones pretty much look like the inductions. And these ones, I don't know really what Tesla was thinking, but I think on the white paint, these for sure are gonna smack. And you can see over there, we got a first coat going on one of the other wheels, but we might not need that many coats. On the Model 3 that we did like 5 coats, but each coat wasn't that thick. On this one, we're going for thick coats and not as many coats. So we'll see basically which one fares better. But what do you guys think? So this is exactly the motion I think you guys should not follow. We're just sporadically spraying it, but somehow the finish is still coming out good. You look at the finish on these after one coat, and they look phenomenal, and we're just like spraying it. So honestly, just do whatever y'all want, just make it black. It's honestly all about distance, guys. If you get too close, it's gonna run. If you get too far away, it's not really gonna stick. So make sure you get that good distance, and your finish should come out like this. This is your update after 2 coats. They honestly look done. And if you look really closely, it's hard. I mean, yeah, I guess there's a hair right there. Rest in peace. There was a lot of splatter and stuff just because these cans are pretty crappy. Ultimately, though, the finish looks pretty good. I think we're only going to go for 3 to 4 coats instead of like 5 coats on the Model 3 that we did. That was very unnecessary. I'm really liking the look on these. This is the final product here, guys. This wheel was originally like silver. It was questionable. We wanted to go black because white on black wheels is a really common look, and it's a pretty good look, I think. So here we're gonna install them. Mind you, you should wait about 4 hours before really doing anything with something that you Plasti Dip. It's only been about an hour. We're gonna install it, whatever. The finish isn't gonna look great until about tomorrow. The Plasti Dip will like set in and the look will be a lot better, but let's go in and try to install it and see how it looks. Make sure you guys just bring it in. Dude, that looks good. If you guys don't want to spend the $1,500, $2,500 on those induction wheels, this is the look. I love this lip because, I mean, it's silver, but it kind of looks white and it kind of complements the car. It looks as if like you did one of those like white pinstripes. So I'm really happy with this. Let's get the rest on and see how the car looks.
My mind stimulated, keep my time abbreviated. Known for taking leaps of faith from plans I never deviated. I'm just trying to see you, baby girl. I said I knew we'd make it. I'm just giving you the basics. Take your shot and never waste. I got that green up on my mind. I need dollar signs. Money like your body, shorty. You know I need all of mine. Yeah, tell me hold it down, shorty. I'ma put it down. Tell me hold it down, honey. I'ma put it down. If you ever find, yeah, some other time, some other mind, just take a little ride with me. Get fly with me. I can hold you down, know you tryna ride with me. I could be around, don't switch sides on me. I'm just tryna moonwalk on the sky, mommy.
This is the final product, guys. The car kind of looks sick. The wheels are silver, but it kind of looks like it has like a white lip of some sort, or sort of a white pinstriping around the black wheel. And again, these are the free wheels, right? These are the 19s, but they kind of look like the inductions. So honestly, I'd go this route just to save the money. I guess you have better ride quality because it's a smaller wheel. I really like this look on a white car. The silver just was not doing it. And again, this is Plasti Dip, so it's reversible. And if you look up close, it looks like a factory finish, even though you guys can tell it's super windy outside. There's dirt flying everywhere, but it came out okay. So I'm really happy with the look of this. This was the Model 3 that we had just done. We had changed these to black as well with a Plasti Dip, but I kind of like the look of the Y more, just because of the paint color, I guess, and the fact that the lip on this is gray as opposed to white or something of that sort. I think it needs to be black, but that's it.
Get fly with me. I can hold you down, know you tryna ride with me. I could be around, don't switch sides on me. I'm just tryna move.
That's it for this video, guys. We dipped the wheels in black. $25. It makes it look like the optioned out wheels. I love the look. You look at the Model 3 over there. We did those in black too, but it's not as good looking in my opinion as this Y, especially because a white car needs to have black wheels. Silver wheels or gray wheels on a white car isn't it. But should you do it? Yes. Plasti Dip, kind of ghetto, but it turned out pretty good. I like the look, and I'd recommend you guys to try it out just for $25. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.